The reason why you feel less beautiful, less creative, less fit, less energized, and less capable, it's not because these things are true. It's because you're not using your body to its fullest potential. And so today I want to share with you a little bit of a mindset shift just to help you see something, because so many people say the older you get, the more exhausted you become. I don't have energy. I'm uglier now. That's not true. I'm here to change the narrative for you and get rid of these bad beliefs once and for all. Before I get started on today's video, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Dominika and I love sharing tips about personal development, mindset, business strategy, stuff that really changed my life. And today I'm gonna share with you why you feel less capable, less smart, less beautiful, less energized. And it's not because you are old. The reason why you feel like this is because the older we get, the less of our body we start using. So listen to this, okay? Whenever we used to be in school, we would use our brain to its fullest capacity or almost to its fullest capacity, because we would learn new things all the time. We would be pushed out of our comfort zone. We would be, meeting new people, learning new things. We would have to solve activities and challenges and exercises. And so our brain would be used all the time. But whenever we leave school, we tend to stop learning new things. We tend to not put ourselves in new environments. We tend to just stay where it's comfortable. And this is why you might feel like you're less smart, like you're not capable of things. But the truth is, you have always been capable and you have always been smart, but you're maybe just not using your brain to its fullest capacity. Now, let me share with you another thing. So many people feel like they don't have energy to even go on a walk. I experienced this myself as well. I'm guilty of it. I didn't have energy to go on a walk. I wouldn't have energy to exercise. But actually, this wasn't because there was something wrong with me. It wasn't because I'm too old. It wasn't because I wasn't eating right. It was because I simply did not move. And the reason why I'm telling you this, and the reason why I truly can sit here and say this is the truth, is because of this. When I go abroad and I go to a brand new place, I go on a holiday somewhere and I have never been there before. I want to explore. I want to see as much as I can in the short amount of time that I am there. So I go out and I walk everywhere. I might get a taxi, but I walk a lot. I explore. I might go for a swim, depending on where I am, right? But I go out and explore. And on your phone, you sometimes have those apps that help you track the amount of steps you took that day. I go on that app after a day, just being somewhere abroad, just a regular day. I look at that app and I see that I have almost every single day at least 20,000 steps that day. Easily done. 20,000, 30,000 steps, including swimming. And of course, I would be tired after that day, but I wouldn't be as exhausted as I am whenever I lie down on my sofa, watching TV, relaxing. Actually, relaxing, watching movies or series makes me more exhausted than going on a walk and being active. This is because when we get active, we use all our body. We get the oxygen in. Our blood is flowing correctly. So the reason why you feel exhausted, and majority of us feel exhausted whenever we are old, it's not because we used up all of our energy when we were children. It is because we don't move as much as we used to when we were children. When we were children, we would go out, we would play football all day, and then we would use a skipping rope, we would be jumping on a trampoline. But now when we get old, we say, no, I'm gonna get a car instead of walk. No, I'm not going to the gym because I have this going on. No, I'm not going on a walk. It's quicker to get a car or a taxi or a lift by somebody. But this is not doing your body any favor. So I'm gonna tell you guys, the reason why you feel less capable, less energized, less whatever you are telling yourself, it's not because your body is destroyed now that you're older. It's because you stopped using your body to its fullest potential. So I want you to make a committed decision instead of just lying down all the time, instead of telling yourself you're not capable. Try to put your mind on the correct things. You are capable of anything you put your mind on. You are capable of more than you know. You are stronger than you realize. But you have to first fix your state. If you're in a bad state and you're telling yourself, there's no point for me to go on a walk because I'm just exhausted all the time, and there's no point for me to start the gym because I'm fat and ugly anyway, and it might work, it might not, and I don't have time for it anyway. Do you think you're gonna have any change? Do you think you're actually gonna go? No. But if you change your state and you say, yes, I'm going for it, yes, I'm doing it, yes, I'm capable, yes, I know what this is gonna do for me, now this is gonna make you feel different. This is gonna motivate you and you're gonna go. And this is what you have to do in your life, okay? And this is something that Tony Robbins teaches. And actually, I attended a free summit by him called Time to Rise. It was so amazing. And it just reminded me of the fact that, like, we need to move our body more. We need to use our brain more. We need to use all of our parts more, because we are so amazing. We are capable of anything, but we are not capable of it if we tell ourselves we are not capable. We are not capable of it if we just put ourselves down. So what can help you to gain this momentum and to put you in that correct state in order for you to feel the energy to go out and go on a walk is play your favorite song. You know, the song that makes you want to dance, you maybe haven't heard in years, or you already have it in mind. This is the kind of song you want to play. You play it full blast. You can use earphones if you need to, but you play it loud, okay? You play it loud and you dance like nobody is watching, because nobody is watching you in your kitchen. And you dance and you move. What I like to do is just like punch the air, right? I punch the air, and this helps me so much. And I warm up, I move my body. This is what I did even before recording this video, because before I tried recording this video, and guess what? I wasn't in the correct state, and I was like a little bit tired. I started yawning, and I was like, no, it's not a good time for me to record this. I need to get in the state. And I just played one song. You know that song? Rock this party, dance everybody, make it hot in this party. Yeah, you know that one? Oh my goodness. This puts me in a state that I believe anything is possible. And I just dance and I punch the air up, down. I jump around. I'm being silly. I laugh at myself. And this put me in such a correct state, perfect for this video. So even simple things that don't require of me to move, they require of me to use my brain, my mouth as I'm speaking to you, as I'm recording this video, but it still requires of me to have this energy inside of me. And honestly, the difference between the first video and this one, it's massive. I mean, right now I'm just thinking, I'm clearer, I'm sharper, I don't need to pause. And this is because I got my body moving. This is because my blood is now flowing through my veins. So if you want to achieve big things in life, whatever goals you have, they are possible. But number one, what you need to do is move more. Use your brain more. Get out. Get uncomfortable. Do the uncomfortable thing. Get out of your comfort zone. Because comfort zone, it's like a dead zone. You're literally just gonna stay there forever, and you're gonna feel less and less powerful. But when you get out more, when you learn new things, when you surround yourself with different people, now this is when your state improves. And look, I understand that sometimes it is quite challenging to know how you can get out of this state if you feel depressed, if you feel even suicidal, or you feel really down all the time. And I used to be like that too. But then I made a decision that things had to change. And I went out and I started reading books, listening to free content online. And then I started paying for master classes, paying for coaching. and it changed my life. And if you feel like you need to go out and learn new things, you need to switch your mindset, and you want some help with that, I actually do coach people about mindset, and I would love to help you. Because look, anything is possible, and I truly believe in you and your dreams and your vision, but they are not gonna be possible if you just stay in the same place all the time, and you just stay in that comfort zone, and you stay in that bad state of mind. And this is why whenever I coach people one-on-one, I teach you, we look at everything that's in your brain right now, everything that's not working, and we dig it out and we throw it out and we exchange it with the new, with new, more empowering beliefs and more empowering thoughts, because this is how amazing things are achieved. Everything in this world has first been an idea. Everything starts with an idea, a thought, and then it is brought to life. This is why your brain is the most powerful weapon of all. You cannot tell yourself stuff like, I'm not smart enough, I don't know enough. You can learn, you can become, and you need to switch this mindset, because if you don't, this is when you are putting yourself lower and lower and lower on the scale, and you are becoming less because you're not using yourself to your fullest potential. And this is what one-on-one coaching can do for you. If you feel like you would like to learn more from me and you would like to book a session with me, you can actually do so by going in the link below in the description, okay? And you will be able to book a session with me. And I would love to have you. I would love to help you out and help you achieve your goals and change those limiting beliefs. I have been told by so many people, they had one session with me, and they said, Dominica, you changed my life. I have had 2 sessions with one woman, and then she texted me and she said, I made up with my husband. We hugged it out, everything, and we are okay now, thanks to the conversations I had with you. So when I say I know how to help you, I really, really know how to help you. So if you feel like this is for you, you know what to do. But I am gonna tell you this before I end this video. Make a committed decision to use your body to its fullest capacity. Number one thing that you can do is listen to uplifting music. Feed your mind with the correct things. Music is so powerful, but it can also be so destructive. I used to listen to songs that were very depressing and they didn't benefit me in any way. But then I stopped and I started listening to things that actually benefit my brain and benefit my energy, and my whole life transformed. Whatever you listen to, whatever you absorb into your mind, your soul, your spirit, this will put you down. So watch what music you listen to, and listen to the uplifting ones. Listen to songs that really make you feel powerful and like you can conquer the world. There are plenty of songs like that. Okay, and if you need some suggestions, find me on Facebook, drop me a message, and I'll send you my playlist. Like, let's go, you guys, let's go. I have plenty of them, plenty of examples I can send you, and they are gonna like change your life. But you can even just search like positive songs, positive affirmations, mindset shifts, and all that stuff. And number 2, whenever you are listening to the songs, move your body. Move your body, dance around, punch the air, right? Punch the haters away. You know what I'm saying? Like, move around, dance, smile, think about the fact that the song makes you feel good. And then make sure to go on those walks. Drink water. It's so important. But listen, if you feel bad, you feel like you're tired and maybe a little depressed, and you listen to something uplifting, like a song that really brings you joy, and you're gonna dance around and you're gonna move your body, you probably are gonna forget about the fact that you feel bad. So that's why I'm saying your mind is the most powerful weapon of all. Number 1, when you change your state and you start dancing around and doing things, you are gonna switch your mindset to something more positive, and that then will help you switch those other negative beliefs. Okay, so move your body, dance around, listen to uplifting things, and don't forget, switch those bad beliefs that you have about yourself, because you are capable, you are wonderful, you are beautiful, you are smart enough. And listen, if you don't feel smart enough, that's because maybe all day all you're doing is wearing a pajama. It's about time to get changed. It's about time to step out of it. I used to have a phase like that I would just stay in my robe all day. I would just, greasy hair, whatever, like, because I would be working from home and nobody would see me. But that would put me in a really bad state. And that's why now I really push myself to get dressed nice, put earrings on. I already have this stuff at home. So I'm not saying go out and buy new clothes, go out and buy jewelry. Use what you have at home. I can guarantee you have some beautiful clothes in your wardrobe, but maybe you feel bad about wearing them around the house. Maybe you feel bad about wearing them to the grocery store. Get dressed, put that nice lipstick on. And I actually have a really beautiful video here on my YouTube channel. It's called Embody Your Future Self. I think that's the name. And it actually shares what you can do in order to feel better with yourself. So I strongly encourage you to watch it after this video. But the reason why you might be feeling less is because you're not living to your fullest potential. You're not using your body to your fullest potential, okay? So number one, move, move, move. Number two, feed your mind with the correct things and switch those bad negative beliefs, because this will change your life. But I think that's all I wanted to speak about today. I'm really grateful for your time. Thank you for everything. Make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, so that you can, come back for more videos. And let me know in the comments what this video did for you. Did it make you think about something? Did it make you realize something? And let me know, what are you gonna commit to doing more of? Do you commit to getting dressed beautifully? Do you commit to learn new things? Do you commit to read more? Do you commit to dancing around? What is your commitment? The reason why I'm asking you to write it down is because when you write it down and you make like a public declaration, it's gonna push you to do it. That's what I usually do. Whenever I say I'm gonna go live for the next couple of weeks, I make an announcement and I don't delete it, because I know at least one person would have seen it. So it helps me stay accountable. It helps me to push myself to do it. So I strongly encourage you to do that, okay? But I appreciate your time so much. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you on another video. Bye bye.